Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gadget Grid. In today's video, we're going to review the HP Envy Desktop Bundle PC, a powerful and thoughtfully crafted computer that modernizes the way you create. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features that make this computer the perfect tool for creators and innovators, and show you how it can boost your productivity and creativity. Let's start by taking a look at the powerful processor of this computer. With the familiar Windows 11 Home OS and an Intel Core i9-12900 processor, you get instant responsiveness and all the productivity features you need to tackle any task. But that's not all. The HP Envy Desktop also features immersive graphics, provided by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, with 8GB GDDR6 dedicated memory. Whether you're creating visual works of art or playing your favorite games, the graphics on this computer will make everything look better than ever. And what about storage? The HP Envy Desktop has you covered with 16GB DDR4-3200 MHz RAM, 2x8GB, and a 1TB Intel PCIe NVMe M2 SSD. This means you can keep multiple tabs open without any slowdown, and store all your favorite games, entertainment, and more. But the HP Envy Desktop Bundle PC is not just about power and storage. It also features booming audio, with 5.1 surround sound that will enhance your gaming and entertainment experience. And when it comes to connectivity, the HP Envy Desktop has ports for everything. With multiple full-sized ports, including Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4. Type circa 40 gigabits per second signaling rate, USB power delivery, DisplayPort 1.4, HP sleep and charge, SuperSpeed. USB type circa 10 gigabits per second signaling rate, SuperSpeed USB type circa 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, SuperSpeed USB type A. 10 gigabits per second signaling rate, SuperSpeed USB Type A 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, 2 USB 2.0 Type A, and an Ethernet port. You can connect all your favorite devices with ease. The HP Palette app is pre-installed on this computer, making it simple to locate photos on your computer and providing you with robust search tools and links to other creative apps. Finally, the HP Envy Desktop Bundle PC is designed with sustainability in mind. It includes water-based paint, post-consumer and ocean-bound recycled plastics, and is EPEAT Gold registered and Energy Star certified. In conclusion, the HP Envy Desktop Bundle PC is the perfect computer for creators and innovators who need power, storage, and connectivity. With its powerful processor, immersive graphics, booming audio, and ports for everything, you'll be able to tackle any task with ease. Plus, with its sustainability features, you can feel good about your purchase. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the HP Envy Desktop Bundle PC on Amazon today. You can also check it, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.